action. We're back in the action, boys. So I'm just gonna cut to the chase real quick, man. You guys know I don't beat around the bush, or try not to. I guess it depends on the bush, really. But it so happens that whenever I do a video with 6ix9ine and I put 6ix9ine in the title, and no, I don't spell it by letter, I actually just spell it out so it's safer, I get the shaft by YouTube. If you guys don't know what I mean by that, I get D-mono. You guys can fill in the blank. I can't even say that word. I'm so censored. I got a lot of theories about YouTube right now, and it's really screwing up my act. Anyway, because of that, I got a favor to ask you guys. Also, apparently I'm being inappropriate, which is weird. I'm on the blacklist. I've actually cleaned up my act so much, the only thing I talk about is what I would do to Selena Gomez. And even then, I leave out quite a lot of details, believe me on that. Or sorry, what I do with Selena Gomez. I wonder if she'd think it's weird that I have her name on my lip. It'll touch her one day. Anyway. No, what I'm trying to get at is if you guys want to thumbs up this video and comment down below, like just spam comments, that would be great. Thank you, appreciate it. So, we have not done a mystery box video in so long. I've been real stoked. As you guys can tell by the title, we have one again. So if you guys like mystery box videos, definitely let me know that you do down below, because I think we have another one coming this week or next week. But let's get into what this one that I'm looking at right here is about. Back in August, I was searching up, just on eBay, I generally search up mystery boxes, or you know, certain names of people, and try to figure out what they have. You know what I mean? You know, I search eBay like anyone else. I don't know why I'm trying to friggin' describe it. And what I came across, which was really cool, was a 6ix9ine mystery box. Now, we found one of these before. It was $50. This one was actually $10 eBay price, which is any price, I guess. American. It was sold on eBay, so whatever. Now, I actually just checked up because preparing for this video, I usually want to take screenshots so I can add it in the video to show you guys like what the options are, but it's gone. They're not selling it anymore, unfortunately. So I wanted to apologize for that, but the reason why I kind of waited until now is just god-awful strategic reasons. We know that he's in court right now, and I knew sometime in September he was going to be a highly searched term on YouTube, so I waited for that. Ain't gonna lie to you guys, you know, hashtag strategy, by the way. It's pretty smart of me. So yeah, that's what we have, a $10 6ix9ine mystery box. Now, what I remember from this mystery box, I could be wrong on a few things, is there was kind of like a tier system. Once again, it's $10, so you're not gonna probably get the best stuff. At the beginning, it said stickers, which I assume is what's gonna be normal. Then there was like shirts, which seems like a pretty good deal for $10, what I thought at the time. However, it's probably not real 6ix9ine shirts, probably just printed from China. Or, you know, Alibaba. I feel like they're their own country now because it's so big. I don't know. That's what she said. And then there was one thing that caught my eye, is there was like an autograph that you could get, or a couple autographs, and there was some stuff in between. I can't really remember. I just remember it was like, yo, get lucky, you might get something dope. And my whole goal in life is getting lucky. Probably not going to be a long video because it's only a $10 mystery box. I'm looking at it, and it doesn't look like we got a sticker though, which is dope. So we're just going to get into it. Let's go. 6ix9ine mystery box, $10.
That's the new piece.
So here's a box. This is why I don't think it's a sticker, obviously, which is why I'm kind of stoked about this. It says fragile too, so hopefully it's like a cool cup or a shot glass. That'd be sweet. Without further ado, I guess we're just gonna open this up and see if we got our money back. And I might give away what's in this depending if I think it's like really dope or not, just like anything else I get. I'm not gonna lie. Look, I'm not gonna not be a little selfish about it. If it's like really sick and I want it, I might keep it. All right, here we go. 6ix9ine mystery box. Let me know real quick what you guys think is going to happen with him. How long do you think he's going to get in the can? You know, we're not sure. I don't know. I might do a video about it. So, what we have? Oh, ho, ho! It's not a shirt. I thought it was a shirt. I don't know if I showed you guys because I was shaking it. That sounds like a shirt to me. You know what I mean? It sounds like a shirt, but it's not. Oh, awesome! Okay. So this right here is obviously more than what... Oh, awesome! So yeah, so there's wicked. Okay, so this is obviously more than $10. I'll search up the price for y'all because I think like records are like 40 bucks. So I guess this is the video. We got a 6ix9ine record right here. Obviously Gummo and all the other stuff in the back. I don't know, this isn't his newest album, so it was one before that. God, this is cool. This is my first ever record too. I don't have any other records. I have an insert. Oh! Yes! Oh, I was trying to see the record. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we got the autograph. Holy crap. So it says Tekashi right there. I guess this is like a little vinyl insert or something. I do know a lot of rappers, when they put out their new albums and stuff, they do have like an option where you can buy the signed thing. So I assume that's what it is. I'm gonna check like the authenticity on this just to make sure it's real. I'm just gonna look at other autographs of his online and see if it looks cool. But this is for sure Sharpie. on a piece of paper, which is good. This is a good sign. So sweet, awesome. Okay, cool. We got the autographs. I'm gonna search this up. I'll let you guys know within this video, and then I get how much it costs, and then I guess that's sweet. And then this is the vinyl. Oh man, I just want to suck on this. I just want to lick it like a lollipop. It looks so tasty. That's weird. Damn. I'm stoked, man. This is my first ever record. I kind of want to frame this. As you guys know too, which is one of the big reasons why I like really caught my eye with this, is you guys know I collect XXXTentacion autographs. Now I can add this, which is really, really sick. So that's what we got in the $10 mystery box. I'm gonna check how much, maybe if there's any of these on eBay, how much they're going for, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so I'm searching eBay. To my surprise, which is kind of weird, maybe I searched it wrong, but there's only one autograph right now that they show of 6ix9ine. Now, this is actually, it's funny, this is actually the autograph that we got. It's the vinyl and the little insert or whatever the hell that is, signed. The guys got it for $861 Canadian. It's sealed. I know it's not that. I know it's not that price. I've got some really rare X autographs right here that have been certified real, and they're also the real concert posters from when he was playing that concert. And like one of those was a little bit more than this. So I know that's not the right price for sure. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe it would sell for like 150, maybe, possibly. So that's probably how I'd go about it. I used to collect a lot of autographs, from hockey to everything. Now I'm collecting other autographs. It's weird. Yeah, I'd probably say somebody would probably pay like 150 for this, I would say. So I think it's a good deal. I think that's a really, really sick deal, and I'm stoked about this, man. So you guys let me know if you want more mystery box videos, you know, anything like that. I'm really down. I really enjoy these, and just another short video. Try to bang these out for y'all. You know what I mean? Bye. What the f was that?